Operation. How to fix rolling film. Take off outside clock. Fix rolling film. Move up rolling film to make clock fixate completely. Screw the bolt and turn the clock to fasten rolling film. Wrap packing paper according to sign and pull it to driving gear of made sealing across former. Switch driving gear. How to use computer control instrument. The instrument analyzes all data collected by the sensor system and then export controlling signal to length control system and serve system to adjust length and serve tracking automatically. Control panel. Indicator. Indicate color scale, cutter, alignment, length, longer adjustment, shorter adjustment, lengthening capacitor, short capacitor. Function case. Switch screen, date modifying and configuring. Up, increase data. Down, decrease data. Reset. Press to reset fault when fault occurs and to switch to welcome screen when machine runs properly. Back. Back off packing paper when machine is made ready. Forward. Make packing paper step forward when machine is made ready. Clear. Clear all packages numbers data. Alignment. Active tracking of alignment. Press it and the corresponding indicator on. Be used for floor plan design packing paper. Length. Activate length setting. Press it and the corresponding indicator on. Be used for black paper or disorder pattern paper. Left. If cutter places left to color scale, press it to adjust cutter position when machine runs. Lock. Lock electric eye as changing materials. Right. If cutter places right to color scale, press to adjust cutter position when machine runs. During running process, the forward, back, alignment, length, and lock are unusable. During running process, press up and down can slightly adjust the packing length manually to make alignment mark better. Setting. When machine is made ready, first press function, the machine displays length setting screen, range 75 to 280 mm. Secondly, press function. The machine displays adjusting screen. Length will be adjusted automatically when machine runs no materials. Thirdly, press function. The machine displays composition screen. Range 1 to 10, usually 6 to 8. Fourthly, press function. The machine displays color scale locking range screen. Range 0 to 19%, usually 17% to 19%. Fifthly, press function. The machine displays error location screen. Range 1 to 179. Sixthly, press function. The machine displays error time screen. Range 1 to 179. After setting data, press function to confirm. Otherwise, settings will not be saved. Operation. Color scale packing process. Measure the length of wrapping paper. Be accurate to millimeter. Connect machine to power and comes welcome screen. Then press function. Set all data following the guide of screen. Press up or down to modify data. Press function to confirm. Press alignment, the corresponding indicator on. auto-adjusting paper length. After a secondary pressing function, start and speed up machine. Rolling film is not necessary. The machine will adjust paper length automatically while the screen displays paper length adjusting. Please wait. It will shut down automatically after adjusting. The screen switches to standby. Only if the function key is secondly pressed, the machine can adjust paper length. Under other pressing, the machine will start normally when turned on. Slow down machine when loading paper. Press move to make cutter in proper place. Press stroke to line cutter scale point of rolling film with cutter blade when machine is made ready. Move optical electricity head to cutter scale place. Adjust its sensitivity, inclination, and distance to ensure that it will flash only meets cutter scale point. Press move to move the optical electricity head. On the cutter scale point, then press lock. Press run, adjust speed and stop packing. Inspect the relative position of cutter and cutter scale point. If the blade is on the left, press left. If the blade is on the right, then press right until the blade in exact position. If rolling film needs to be changed or be loaded anew, just move cutter scale point to cutter blade. Blank paper pack. Connect machine to power, then press left and the corresponding light on. Press function. Press up or down to set paper length following the screen's guide. Press function. Switch to length adjusting screen. Run machine. And set speed higher. The screen displays length adjusting. Please waiting. It will shut down automatically after adjusting, and the screen switches to standby. Main machine must be at a certain rotational speed. Can paper length adjust? Load packing paper, press run. Adjust speed and stop packing. Self-diagnosis failure function. There are 4 signals collected by the sensor system of this machine: cutter scale, steel ruler, cutter, and inspector. If any of them causes failures, the microcomputer will stop main machine and give instruction. Please solve them and press reset. Cutter scale signals position. Normal state. Indicator light flashes only meets color scale point. Failure reason. Wrong inclination or distance of optical electricity head or damaged optical electricity head. Steel roller signals position. Failure reason. Wrong distance or damaged steel roller. Normal state. Indicator light flashes only when the sensor passes. Cutter signals position. Normal state. Indicator light flashes only when the sensor passes. Failure reason. Wrong distance or damaged cutter. Inspector signals position. Failure reason. Dust or scratching inside. Clean it by soft paper or replace it. Normal state. Indicator light flashes when one tooth passes. Operation hole process. Adjust material former to make its inside wider 2 to 3 mm than the materials. And adjust its wings higher 2 to 3 mm than materials. Make sure the two sides of the former are in symmetrical balance. This will affect the output and packing stability. Adjust conveyor board to align its front inside with the former, while the wear board could be set larger for the convenience of fit materials. Fix rolling film on, and adjust cloth's position to align rolling film spindle with roller center. Roll rolling film and connect it to middle ceiling part. Adjust paper length and color scale according to color scale packing process and blank paper packing process. The temperatures should be well controlled. Adjust cut speed head wheel to make cutter running and film feeding are at the same speed. Slow down cutter if paper is tightened. While speed up the cutter if there is a paper jam. Run machine at a lower speed. Put 1 to 2 materials on conveyor chain and inspect the transmit precision. Try material adjusting hand wheel to adjust position. The materials will be transmitted backward when turning the wheel clockwise. Otherwise, they will be transmitted forward. The machine can produce normally after the above steps. During the running process, the operator should pay attention to the following things all the time. The spindle of the film is aligned or not. All sealing is fixed or flat or not. The color scale is accurate or not. All sealing is fixed and flat or not.